Welcome to the forefront of eco-friendly coating technology. Let's deep dive into ultra-low emission epoxy protective coatings. These coatings represent a significant advancement in sustainable material science, addressing the increasing need for environmentally responsible solutions across multiple industries. So what sets these coatings apart? They're engineered to drastically reduce VOC emissions. This translates to a lower environmental footprint and enhanced indoor air quality. Utilizing low VOC resins, alternative solvents, and bio-based additives, these epoxies are not just eco-friendly in theory, but also in practice. They deliver high performance, offering exceptional durability, chemical resistance, and adhesion properties. But there's more. These coatings meet stringent regulatory standards, helping you stay compliant and reduce your carbon footprint. Ideal for automotive, aerospace, construction, and industrial applications where both performance and sustainability are critical. Now let's explore why this exclusive, expert-led online training on these coatings is indispensable for you. First, you'll refine your formulation skills with sustainable practices. Master formulation strategies for ultra-low emission epoxy coatings, including advanced techniques, ingredient selection, bio-based additives, and innovative solvents to create high-performance, eco-friendly coatings. Second, you'll learn to enhance product performance while minimizing environmental impact. Achieve superior durability, chemical resistance, and adhesion, all while significantly reducing the environmental footprint of your coatings. Third, gain a competitive edge by understanding the latest trends and emerging technologies, such as nanotechnology and smart coatings. Finally, stay ahead of regulatory compliance, ensuring your formulations meet current and future environmental standards, avoiding legal and financial penalties. This training is perfect for coating industry professionals, R&D chemists, formulators, chemical engineers, product developers, scientists, technicians, lab managers, and specialists from coatings, polymers, and related industries. This comprehensive, expert-led online training covers everything from an overview of epoxy protective coatings and understanding ultra-low emission standards to formulation strategies, performance and sustainability benefits, and the latest trends and innovations. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your expertise in sustainable coating formulations. Register now for our ultra-low emission epoxy protective coatings training and join us in advancing a sustainable future while staying competitive in the coatings industry. To register, click on the link in the description or visit onlytrainings.com now.